Another day, another English lesson.
Instructions with you can. By plus gerund.
Hello, everyone. In today's lesson, we're going to look at a very useful English structure that helps you give instructions or explain how to do something. The structure is you can, by, plus gerund. Now, what does that mean? Let's take a look. You can. This part shows the action or the result wanted. By plus gerund. By tells us the method or the way we do the action. The gerund is the ing form of a verb like clicking, pressing, or practicing. Here are a few examples. You can open the app by clicking this button. You can save money by cooking at home. You can improve your English by practicing every day. Do you see how it works? First, we say what is possible with you can. Then we show the method with by plus the gerund. It's a simple but very natural way to explain steps or give advice. This structure is especially common when giving instructions like in apps, recipes, or study tips. Once you notice it, you'll start hearing it everywhere. Now, watch and complete the sentences with the correct forms of the verbs in parentheses. The verbs are not always in the correct order. One, you can save time by ordering your groceries online. 2, you can find good restaurants by reading online reviews. 3, you can improve your English by watching movies with subtitles. 4, you can stay healthy by eating more vegetables. 5, you can get to work faster by taking the train. 6, you can remember new words by writing them in a notebook. 7, you can stay in touch with friends by calling them regularly. 8, you can keep your phone safe by using a strong password. 9, you can learn new skills by practicing every day. 10, you can travel more cheaply by booking tickets early. Thank you for watching this worldwide ELT language learning video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon for notifications.